You've heard of the app, Angry Birds? Well, we're going to have a new app, Battle of the Birds. And that you guys were talking about that this morning, which is the headlines out there and really this battle between what the Fed experts were saying on the Fed and what the markets saw and or heard. Here are some of the headlines out there. Was she hawkish or was she dovish? The New York Times saying, where is that? Yellen counsels patience on interest rate increases. The Wall Street Journal, Yellen puts Fed on a path to lift rates. And the FT agreeing with the Journal, Yellen paves the way for rate rises this year. My own take when I first heard it all was this is neutral. All she's doing is retaining the flexibility to possibly remove in March and that she doesn't make or suggest policy in committee. She does it in Congress. She does it in committee. But
it sounded to me like she was moving towards the position where she could raise rates if she wanted to.
Flexibility.
So continuing to move,
which is
rather standing pat,
which
rather
is
than standing
net this much hawkish.
Yeah.
But certainly not this much dovish.
And the markets reacted in kind.
Well, they thought the Fed was dovish.
Right.
I didn't understand. Here's some of the headlines from some of the other Fed experts out there. HFE, Jim O'Sullivan, a friend of Squawk Box, no major changes in tone. Lou Crandall over at Wrightson did not change the policy outlook at all. Goldman saying language was broadly similar to the January meeting and the minutes. All of that said, take a look at what the 10-year did. This was 10 basis points. This is worth 10 basis points of a decline in the 10-year, down back below 2%. This is a real question out there. We'll be listening today to she try to redirect. I really don't think that she was, maybe the market was positioned in a hawkish way and was relieved that it wasn't more hawkish. But net, I didn't hear it. All I heard was a basically neutral Fed as we head towards the mid-March meeting where they're going to make up their mind to remove patience or not.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thank you so much for checking out our channel. You can subscribe by clicking right here to check out the latest Mad Money CEO interviews, market news, financial advice, and product unboxing. Enjoy!